Hello guys, this is our day 3 of English improvement series, and today we will discuss about one of the most underrated topic, that is mental health. We all are taking care of our physical health, but we are lacking behind to take care of our mental health. For that, you can follow the 3 steps to take care of your mental health. That is, the first one is you can take a proper sleep, about 7 hours sleep. And the second point is uh, talking to your friends, your close friends. And third point is pursue your interest, like whatever you like to do, do that. Like many of you have a different type of interest, like painting, playing, reading, and some of our working on our skills, coding, and many things. So do that. That's all, guys. Keep improving yourself and stay connected and keep supporting. Definitely, you will speak better. Do regular practice with me, and we both improve ourselves. Good luck, guys. Keep improving yourself.